Hey everyone! Do you dream of keeping your knees strong, flexible, and pain-free, no matter your age? Imagine moving with confidence and ease, no more stiffness, no more aches. Today, I'm going to share with you an incredible solution to keep your knees ageless. Don't let knee pain hold you back any longer. Click the link in the description to learn more about Ageless Knees and start your journey to ageless knees today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. It starts with femoral nerve. Your femoral nerve has weakened over time. It can't support your quadriceps muscles to stabilize your knees. So your knee joints decay, and you suffer from pain. If you can activate the femoral nerve, it can strengthen your quadriceps and stabilize your knees. The New England Journal of Medicine exposes the knee replacement surgery hoax doctors hide from you. Plus, how to eliminate knee pain for good in 1 minute a day. The only question is how. Over 23,855 adults have used a simple seated towel routine that silences knee pain in 1 minute a day. They were designing a massage wand that gently releases electric currents into your body to relieve pain. Ageless Knees is the only program using our special massage wand to activate the femoral nerve and fix your knee pain for good. According to research from institutions like Johns Hopkins University, King's College London, and the University of Michigan, low levels of electric current block pain signals from reaching the brain. That's right. My miracle massage wand jumpstarts your femoral nerve and blocks pain. Thousands of folks just like you have already saved themselves from a lifetime riddled with crippling knee pain. There's no reason you can't join these folks. Reviews. "60-day painless knees, money-back guarantee." Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more health information.